In this example, we need to find the first 5 terms of the recursive sequence given here. So quickly reviewing, a recursive sequence is a sequence in which terms are defined using one or more preceding terms, and the initial term or terms of the sequence must be given. In our example, we're given 2 initial terms. We know that a sub 1, the first term, is 1, and a sub 2, the second term, is 3. Then for n being greater than or equal to 3, the nth term, a sub n, equals 2 times a sub n minus 1, that is the term before the nth term, plus a sub n minus 2, which is the term that's 2 terms before the nth term. We need to find the first 5 terms, but luckily we've already been given the first 2. So now I need to figure out what happens when n equals 3. I'm going to use this formula. A sub n, so it's a sub 3, which is the third term, equals 2 times a sub n minus 1, 3 minus 1, plus a sub n minus 2. Well, what's n? N is 3, so it's a sub 3 minus 2. So that is just 2 times a sub 3 minus 1 is 2, plus a sub 3 minus 2 is a sub 1. So I'm going to take twice the second term, which is 3, and then I'm going to add to that the first term, that is 1. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the third term is 7. So now moving along, let's figure out what happens when n equals 4. So the fourth term, a sub 4, equals 2 times, I'm not going to write so many steps this time, a sub 4 minus 1, that's a sub 3, plus a sub 4 minus 2 is a sub 2. So that is twice the preceding term plus the term before that. So it's 2 times a sub 3 we found was 7, plus a sub 2 we were given was 3, so 7 times 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 equals 17. So the fourth term is 17. Lastly, we need to figure out what happens when n equals 5. So the fifth term, a sub 5, equals 2 times a sub 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2 times the fourth term plus a sub 5 minus 2 is 3. That's the third term. So it's going to be 2 times the fourth term, which is 2 times 17, plus the third term, which is 7. So 2 times 17 is 34, plus 7 equals 41. So the fifth term is equal to 41. So writing out the first 5 terms of my sequence, remember we were given the first 2 terms as 1 and 3. Then the next term, the third term was 7, the fourth was 17, and the fifth was 41. So there are the first 5 terms in this sequence.